taking it a step up just broadly between property and casualty and life and accident, are you seeing similar trends or areas of focus from your customers, or are they divergent a little bit just by nature of that type of insurance?
So interestingly, we talk about both life and annuities and the property and the casualty, right? So while the focus of the paper was purely around the commercial lines within the property and the casualty, but what we have been seeing is that the amount of straight through that's happening across that differs. So if we talk just about the personal and the commercial lines within the property and the casualty, personal is where most of the straight through processing has started happening. Yeah. Commercial is where the intent is to go through straight through processing, at least for some of the cases. But right now, it is being done more manually. And when we look at specialty lines within the property and casualty, that is where the scope is the minimal at this point of time because of the nature of the risk that comes into picture over there.
So now on the other scope, for the specialty lines, is the scope then sort of restricted to the earliest parts of the process, the data entry, or has it creeped past that?
No, I think it has more to do with the data entry only. The reason being that we are talking about the cyber insurance, or we are talking about DNO, or we are talking about marine. There are not enough, even for the service providers or any tech enabler to develop a solution around it. They need a robust amount of data to create those risk models. The problem is that data doesn't exist at this point of time. You get these risks once in a while, right? And even the nature of the risk keeps on changing overnight. So that's where developing a digital solution for this segment of the market is going to be a little bit more difficult. It might happen somewhere down the line in future when there's good amount of data to back it up. But at this point of time, it's one of the most difficult thing to achieve.